One of the problems in Pivot Table Report of Microsoft Excel is it does not automatically update and refresh when source data is added or updated. As you see here in this example, I have created here a pivot table report based on this source data. Let me add here a new data in the source. The new data does not reflect in the report. Let me update the existing data here. In case of updating the existing data, it will reflect in report only after refreshing it. So, here we are going to learn how we can automatically add new data to Pivot Table Report. First of all, convert your source data range to a table format. For this, select your source data. Click on Insert tab. Click on Table. This you can also do by a keyboard shortcut, that is Ctrl+T, click OK. Now right-click on Sheet Name. Click on View Code. This opens VBA window. In this drop-down, select Worksheet. In this another drop-down, Selection Change is auto-selected. If not, choose Selection Change. Now, here write this code. This workbook.refresh all. Close the VBA window. Now if you add or update the data, it will automatically reflect in Pivot Table Report too. Let me add here a sales of new product. It appeared in Pivot Table Report. Let me update existing sales value here. Value changed in Pivot Table Report too. Now, you have to save this workbook as macro-enabled file type, because we have used here VBA code. For this, click on File tab. Click on Save As. Choose Excel macro-enabled file from the File Type drop-down list. Choose the location to save file. Here I am selecting Desktop. Click on Save button. In the desktop, you have this macro-enabled file. Open it and continue working in your data where Pivot Table Auto Update and Refresh. Thank you so much for watching this video. Consider subscribing if you have not. Hit the like button if it was useful. See you in next video tutorial.